your CMOFs. So I would propose to start with constructability, then we'll go for the CMOFs. Okay, so guys, again, welcome you all for this session. We will see the constructability concern for IPS and NPS modification activity for instruments and information. It is nice that we know each other now and all essential stakeholders are here. If in case some disciplines are required during the session, we'll request them to come on the requirement basis. Okay, so I have one small safety moment related to the pressure safety. If you have your own safety moment or you would like to share, so please feel free to share, or please allow me to go for this quick safety moment. Guys, as you know that we are into the hydrocarbon industry, and that is process industry. So in process industry, there are various parameters of processes like pressure, temperature, level, velocity, flow are essential for process industry. Unfortunately, these parameters carry some hazard, and we are dealing with hydrocarbon, that too flammable, explosive, as well as toxic. So we must respect the pressure sensing devices, and while working during operation or during maintenance, we must follow the guideline. So we always ensure that we have the correct and appropriate PPEs. And of course, we need to follow the standard operating procedure or system while working on live equipments. And of course, I mean, without taking the input from the pressure sensing devices, we must not, tamper with the equipment during the maintenance. And of course, we need to ensure that all pressure sensing devices like pressure switches, pressure transmitters, pressure gauges must be calibrated, must be kept in the appropriate good condition so that we can get the accurate reading. And before going for the maintenance on the equipment, we must get the permit to work, and as per the WMS system of the ADNOC, so that we don't have any uncertain or unwanted release of energy sources. So as per the company LSR, company life saving rules, so this is also one of the LSR to take the permit while working on the equipment. In case of any hypos, hypos must be reported, investigated, root causes to be identified, and must be implemented to prevent the reoccurrences. If you want to add something as per your experience, so please feel free to add.